2017, 2018, 2019, which actually is not in effect yet. The actual ceremony for 2019 is planned for New Year's Eve, and it's when the New Year's Eve ball in New York City drops down the pole, as it always does on New Year's Eve. As soon as it reaches the bottom, that's the start of the 2019 Boxey Award nomination ceremony. It's going to be party and do all that kind of thing. But what I'm doing today is I'm actually having an unboxing for the first Boxey Award, which was in 2017, and it was given to KDC, which actually I'm associated with. So there was maybe some collusion or something going on there. But in any case, it is an annual award, and there is actually associated with it a Boxey Award, which I'm going to show you right now. And this is the actual official unboxing ceremony. So here we have a box, which of course I manufactured myself with all of my college training and a little scissors and paper. And inside of this is the actual award, which I'm going to attempt to get out now and display for you. Let's see here how this works. So here we have the opening of the box. You see now, and it opens right up, and inside, lo and behold, a Boxey Award. Isn't that amazing? Now I will actually take the Boxey Award out and demonstrate that it is functional and working. So here we have the actual real live Boxey Award, and with a little bit of magic, voila, the first ever actual Boxey Award.